First things first, yes, you should learn Python in 2026 because data science roles are still increasing in demand and Python remains a crucial skill set for practically all of these roles. That does not change. What does change is how you learn this Python, which is why we bring to you this course, Python for Data Science with Gen AI. This is a unique, no-nonsense, logic-first course built for data scientists by data scientists. No outdated tutorials, learning by doing, make one big capstone project and get one-to-one mentorship. Now, if you've tried to learn Python in the past years and given up, it is not you. You've tried multiple tutorials. The things they teach you are super complex. They make you do loops and a lot of things which really don't make a lot of sense to you. They make you do object-oriented programming in the beginning and so on, and you just give up. The tutorial hell you've been through was really unnecessary because that's not how we learn Python in this here and age. So don't be a code monkey and start learning by doing things. And that's exactly what we do in this course. In this course, we teach you how to think like a data scientist. We teach mindset over syntax, which is why 60% of your time will be spent in logic and thinking through processes. Define the full approach, step-by-step breakdown, problem solving, and so on. That's really what you learn 60% of the time. And it's 40% of the time spent on syntax and execution, which is also important, but really not the main thing. You see, Python is a way to express this logic. You can be perfectly logical, but not know syntax. And that's really the gap we are bridging in this course. Okay, you also heard about using Gen AI in this course. And you might wonder, well, if I use Gen AI, will I really learn anything? That's a great question. And if you use Gen AI poorly, that is just asking it to give you a solution or give it some code and ask it to explain it to you, then you will not learn anything. It is a trap, and this is the illusion of learning. What we do is actually use Gen AI not as a crutch, but as a validator. So you first think about the logic, you express your logic in pseudocode or algorithms. Then you take Gen AI's help to validate that logic, right? Logic is yours, Gen AI only helps validate. Then once you have the logic, you map it to Python code. And then again, you use Gen AI to validate that Python code for you. Then you again think of test cases and again use Gen AI to just test it out. So you see, you're in full control. You think of the logic, you break it down, you write the Python code. Gen AI only acts as a validator. And this is the wise use of Gen AI, which amplifies your learning, doesn't stop it. And the instructor for this course will be me. I have 16 plus years of experience as a data science professional. And really, I've done all the roles under the sun in data science. So I've been a product analyst, I've been a marketing analyst, I've been a business analyst, data scientist, a data science manager, and all the roles you can think of. So I'm in a fair position to explain to you what is really needed across roles. I have authored 3 books on machine learning and AI. I've been an educator and I've mentored thousands of students and taught thousands of students. So I bring all of those experiences to you in this course. Every week, you will have 2 hours of live sessions. Then you have assignments and takeaway homework, of course. And you have one-to-one membership with me, the instructor. So over 8 weeks, you have these many hours of face-to-face with the instructor, a lot of activities, smaller projects every week, and of course, a larger capstone project that you will be developing all along. We will be learning this over 8 impactful weeks. So week 1, you will start with the fundamentals, get familiar with Python, run your first analysis, use Gen AI effectively already, and understand really the capstone project you're building. In week 2, you'll start with the elements of Python, which are the variables, some essential syntax, some fundamental things like loops and functions perhaps. In week 3, you'll learn about loops and functions, which is essential for the DRY or don't repeat yourself principle. You learn to make code repeatable and efficient without just writing a lot of it. And at week 4, we begin to analyze data. We learn how to load the data into Pandas data frames, use various functions to understand individual columns, the data set as a whole, explore, isolate data, filter, and so on. Week 5 is about data transformation and aggregation and summarization, which is really very insightful. Week 6 is all about visualizing your insights. So data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn, performing exploratory data analysis and so on. Week 7 will be about machine learning, where you will finally build your own machine learning model for a classification case. You'll learn train, test, split, how to evaluate a model performance using scikit-learn. And in week 8, you will learn about APIs, which are fundamental skills for the modern world for any data science professional, and also complete your capstone project. The important thing to note is that you will not do multiple toy smaller things. You will just have them as part of the classes, I suppose. But the real deal here is the big capstone project that you will work on, and you'll develop this on your own with one-to-one mentorship from me. This project will be of a high quality, thorough analysis, which will show to recruiters that you can really think like an experienced data scientist. This is the kind of thing that you really need to get hired. So is this course for you? Even if you don't have any prior Python skills? Yes, this is open for all. You do not need any prior Python experience. This is for anyone looking to get into Python, anyone who has tried Python before but really could not make it through, those who want to change their career into Python or data science related fields, those who are graduates or in college who would like to explore data science careers, and any active learners who would like to also build a portfolio. We start from absolute basics and make sure you have something tangible at the end. So go ahead with peace of mind and secure your slot. You are in good hands, and there's a very good structured curriculum with good outcomes for you. One big capstone project, one-to-one membership, and a really good cohort that you learn along with. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out or book a quick discussion with me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the course. I look forward to seeing you in the course.